Welcome to Pure Chart Trading. Would you believe someone if they claimed their strategy achieves an 85% win rate? Do you think your strategy doesn't work just because you lost 5 times in a row? I have to be honest with you. If someone is trying to sell you their strategy or signals that are supposedly working with an 85% win rate, they are probably a scammer. If you actually pay for it, I guarantee you won't achieve an 85% or 90% win rate. And when you start losing, that person will make excuses, claiming the market is providing bad trading setups or similar nonsense. Let's look at how trading actually works and how you can trade on your own without paid signals. I always have to wait for a clear move and I want to see a market structure break. You don't need any miracle indicators or paid signals for this, you just need to watch what the chart is doing and follow it. And just so I don't forget, if you want to see more examples of these trades, I regularly post 3 videos every week. I finally found a clean market move and also a structure break. Now watch closely how exactly I map out my golden zone using the Fibonacci tool, and pay attention to every single detail because it's crucial for you to find your golden zone correctly. I map everything out and then I just wait for the price to return to my zone and for a clean confirmation. I have a specific confirmation sign in my rules, and if I don't see it, I don't enter the trade. Are you watching closely how I map everything out and wait? Now take a really close look at the chart. This is exactly the confirmation I'm always looking for when using the Fibonacci Golden Zone strategy. The price came back to retest my golden zone and just wick it into it, but the key detail is that no candle closed with its body inside the golden zone, and that's the strongest signal for me. I'll risk 1% to make 2% reward, and we'll see in a moment what the outcome will be for this setup. Drop a comment down below letting me know how you like my trading system, and if your comment catches my eye, I'll reply. I read every single comment. Did you notice where I had my stop loss set? This is exactly why I place my SL past the entire Fibonacci tool, and in this setup, it saved me and I hit take profit. If I hadn't respected my SL size, market noise would have stopped me out many times for no reason. If you want to trade like this too, check out my channel for more videos like this, and I believe you'll learn it easily. You just need to watch exactly what I do. We can go look at the next trade example, and at the end of the video we'll crunch the numbers. If you've already watched some of my videos, you definitely understand that right now I'm waiting for a clear market move and a structure break, because this is exactly what trading looks like. You just keep repeating the same system over and over again and change nothing, even when you have a losing streak or a winning streak. It's always the same process, and it doesn't matter if you're trading the 5-minute time frame or the 4-hour time frame. I just found a clear structure break, so now I can map everything out. I have to wait for some sign that the market is turning around and returning to my golden zone. Would you want to see a 1-hour video where I explain my strategy down to the smallest detail? How to find a setup, how to set SL and TP, how to trade without worrying about fees, money management, what time frame to trade and when to trade? Drop a comment down below if you'd be interested in a 1-hour video like that. The price made a pullback and retested my golden zone, and if you take a close look, you can clearly see that it gave me the confirmation I've been waiting for, so I'm definitely jumping into this trade. I'll risk 1% to make 2% reward. It's always the same process over and over again. In just a few seconds we'll see the result. What do you think? Will it be a take profit or a stop loss? Let me know down in the comments while we wait to see how this setup turns out. Don't forget my rule that unless the price hits at least 75% of my TP, I don't move my stop loss to break even. Would you be mad if the market did this exact same thing to you? Trust me, this can happen to you 5 times in a row when trading, sometimes even more than 5 times. This is what real trading looks like, and you'll never win trades without taking some losses too. If someone tries to tell you that losing 5 times in a row means your strategy is bad, they are completely wrong, because losing is normal in trading and just part of the game. I have 2 more examples ready for today, so come take a look with me, and at the end of the video we'll see how we wrap the whole thing up. Do you remember exactly what I'm waiting for right now? If you're thinking of a clean move that creates a market structure break, then you're absolutely right. You can catch my videos regularly on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so make sure you don't miss them. We have the first sign that the market could turn around, so I'll map out the structure break, and as soon as possible, I'll also map out my golden zone with the Fibonacci tool. What do you think of this trading process? I'm curious to know your thoughts. I can finally see at least some sign that the price wants to come and retest my golden zone, so watch closely how exactly I find my zone using the Fibonacci tool. I always emphasize this in every single video in Fibonacci strategy. No candle is allowed to close with its body inside my golden zone, and if I see a strong enough reaction, I'm definitely entering the trade. As always, I'll risk 1% to make 2% profit and let the trade run. If the price doesn't hit at least 75% of my TP, I definitely won't move my stop loss to break even, avoiding getting stopped out by the market only to watch it run to my target without me. While we're waiting for the result, drop a comment down below with anything you're curious about or any insights you have, and if your comment catches my eye, I'll reply as soon as possible. I'm looking forward to giving you some advice or helping you out. Do you think the market would do this exact same thing to you on purpose? Like I said, you need to look at that detail and think about it with a cool head. Even though it looked like the price was going to hit the stop loss, right before closing in a loss, the price reversed and gave you a chance to pull the plug at break even twice. And that is exactly what I would do, because if the market almost runs through your entire stop loss and you still want the price to hit your TP, you have to realize you're now aiming for a 1-to-3 ratio, and catching a move like that is not easy. Plus, if you realize you almost lost and the market gave you a chance to walk away with zero, why wouldn't you take advantage of that? Let's take a look at the last example for today's video, and we'll see at the end how we crossed the finish line today. Once again, it's the exact same process over and over. I have to wait for a clear price impulse and a structure break. Do you think you can handle sitting in front of the charts for hours every single day and have the patience to wait for your clean setup? I finally see a clear price move and a structure break, so I can map it out and wait to see what the price does next. Do you see how that green candle indicates the price probably wants to come back to retest the golden zone? Now watch how I map it out and exactly what I'm waiting for. This is exactly the confirmation I always wait for, and it's a clean signal for me to enter the trade. Even though I've already lost twice in a row, I'm not panicking, I'm not mad, and I absolutely don't want a revenge trade or try to make my money back fast. I'll set my SL and TP strictly according to my rules and let the trade run. Even if I lose again, I can't get angry or blame the strategy or the market. The price hasn't hit 75% of my TP, so under no circumstances am I moving my SL to break even, and I'm letting the trade run. As you can see, placing my stop loss strictly according to my rules saved me once again, and the price hit take profit. Do you want to trade exactly like this too? If you keep watching my videos, I believe you'll learn it pretty easily, and if you want a 1-hour video where I explain all the details, let me know down in the comments. Now let's calculate how today ended at the finish line. From the market we got 2 take profits and 2 stop losses, which in the final result means that at the end of the day, we are up 2% in profit, and that is an amazing result. If you want to see more videos like this, check out my channel. Subscribe.